Hi, Gus from Green Monster. I'm here today to show you how to test a concrete lifting clutch using a PT21 pull tester and its associated lift clutch testing kit. For today's purpose, we'll be testing a 2-ton lifting clutch, and the first item to be done is to select the appropriate load anchor. Now, I've done this before, so I know that this is the appropriate load anchor, but it never hurts to test, and you can see that it fits quite nicely. So we take our test anchor and screw it into the load base. And we screw it until it goes all the way in. Okay. With that in place, we take our lift clutch and the load pin that came with the accessory kit, the one with the notch in it, and lock the lifting clutch into the tester. We now need to engage the lifting clutch with the test anchor, and to do this, we adjust the height of the clevis with the handle until both items engage. And there we have it. The last item that remains is we need to take the slack out of the system by turning the handle. With the system nice and tight, all that remains is for the hydraulic pump to be connected and for you to test your desired load.